In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variations on eBay listing. By the end, you'll know how to set up a single listing that lets buyers pick options like size, color, or style without creating multiple separate listings. This process is best done on a desktop browser, and it works only when you're creating a brand new listing. Start by opening eBay on your computer. Go to Sell and choose Create Listing. Or, if you use Seller Hub, go to Listings and select Create Listing. Keep in mind, variations can't be added to an already active listing that wasn't created with variations, so begin fresh here. Next, choose the right category and listing format. Not every category on eBay supports variations, so select a category where variations are allowed. Then set your format to fixed price, also known as Buy It Now. Auction-style listings don't support variations, so this selection is essential before you move on. As you fill out your listing, enter your title and confirm your category, then scroll until you see the Variations section. It typically appears just below item specifics and above the main description. If you don't see it, look for the three dots or a small settings gear in the editor and toggle variations to turn it on. This enables the variation builder in your form. Click Create Variations or Edit Product Variations if you're revisiting the section. Add the attributes you want buyers to choose from, such as color, size, or style. Enter the values for each attribute, like small, medium, large for size, or red-blue, black for color. Use clear, consistent names that match what buyers expect to see. After your attributes are set, fill in the details for each variation. Upload photos and assign specific images to each option where it makes sense, like showing the red version for the red selection. Enter the quantity and price for each variation combination so buyers see accurate availability. If you track inventory, add SKU codes for each variation. This is optional, but helps with organization and reporting. Now complete the rest of your listing details. Write a clear description, confirm shipping options, and verify your payment settings. When everything looks correct, click Save and Publish to make your multi-option listing live. A few key reminders before we wrap up. Variations work only with fixed price listings. Some categories don't allow them, and the desktop listing tool is the most reliable place to set them up. You can combine multiple attributes, like color and size, and assign unique photos, prices, and quantities to each combination. Take a moment to review your entries so buyers have a smooth, accurate selection experience.